One day, Thomas was asked to pull a train from the docks to Netford. On his way to the docks, he saw Gordon.
Wow, Gordon, what happened to you? Your boiler is much bigger and your cap seems to be swashed up. You look so ugly now. You little Thomas, listen. This is what they call redesigned. We can climb steeper hills and go faster than ever. We are much more realistic. Well, perhaps you're faster, but that doesn't make you more realistic when you're looking so ugly. Pah!
And he raced away. Later, Thomas arrived at the docks. He saw Gator there. He is redesigned too.
Hello, Gator. What are you doing here? Hello, I'm helping out. I'm now redesigned and I can push cars quicker than ever around. Oops. You can be really useful if you get stuck all the time, matey.
Then, Harry buffered up to his flying kipper.
I'm redesigned and I'm sure that I can pull the kipper up the hill.
His wheels spin and spin, but the kipper didn't move. You can't be really useful if you can't pull long trains. Later, Thomas arrived at the clay pits.
Hello, Timothy. You're redesigned too. Oh yes! Now I can work faster. Oops. Faster, Timothy. But you've got stuck. You don't seem very fast to me.
Then Thomas arrived at Elfstead.
Hello, Samson. It's being redesigned. Wonderful.
Oh yes, I can go faster and show more visitors around. Oops, made a mistake.
Oh, hello, Samson. You can't bring any visitors if you go stuck before the station.
Later, Thomas arrived at the shunting yards. He saw Charlie there.
Hello, Charlie. You've been redesigned too. Yes! Now I can shunt trucks faster than ever. Uh-oh.
Charlie, if you are coupling rod brakes so easily, no matter how fast you can go, you can't shunt trucks. Thomas arrived at the steamworks. He saw James and Timothy getting repairs. Their bodies were lifted up.
Okay, my friend. You've finished your repairs. I'll put you back into your wheels. Kevin, put them down into the wheels.
Okay, boss. Which one is James' wheels? They look all the same. Just then, Edward and Emily popped to be modified.
Hello, my friend. You came to be modified, right? Now here's the plan.
What happened to my coupling rods? They are connected wrongly. And my pilot's wheel.
Me too. Also, my big wheel is my signature. How can it be stuck up there with the moving?
At last, Thomas arrived at Netford. He saw Gordon racing towards the station.
Oh, the indignity! Haha! The newly redesigned engines might go faster and climb steeper hills, but what's the point of that if it got stuck all the time?